Hi guys, right, okay, I firmly believe the bottom of Bitcoin is in. I say bottom, I think the final bottom has been hit, and I think it's been here now at 54.25, 54.2. Several reasons for this. I'm not personally old in Bitcoin right now. I'm going to get back into the group very soon as I see another candle hold. I'm not even going to wait for this to get back above 56.5 like I was going to initially. I think we're good from here. Now, obviously, you're going to be seeing this after this goes in. This is just pure training. Don't think, oh, why didn't you tell us this before? Guys, when you get the message in the group, that is the time you should be finding out about it. Okay? Don't be worrying about, oh, you could have told us earlier. Right now, I'm not 100% certain. I'm never 100% certain. I'm only ever 95 plus. Now, that usually is good enough in the crypto market. But now at the moment, I'm only 75%. I'm barely 70%. I'm just putting this out to tell you, give you my reasoning. Now, this here we've seen a solid bounce off the 4 hour on this line here, this 54.2 line. Now, this happened before. We had a tick below it. Then we had a green candle, carried on for 4 candles, 4 out of 5 of which were green. And we've tailed back lower. The reason why I think this could be the lowest setting, because we've already hit it once. The timing, Ides of March, is now out of the way. When I said beware of Ides of March on the 15th, that's now gone. It's the 17th today, St. Patrick's Day. And we've hit this again. And what I like about this is that this was a staunch red candle. And this, as we've got a larger tail on this, quite a large tail. Most of the body right now in the second, third hour of this candle is all tail, and the body is right on the upper end. And that's what I like about it. And it just feels that it's just pipped down just to give it one final thrust lower. And if I go on the 1 hour, here, you can see we're in this sort of last phase of where we've peaked down, we're up. You see that? That's what I mean. About 3 hours ago, we peaked down, hit it, and now we've remained up. We've peaked down and hit it once more. Of course we have. But we've managed throughout the majority of the time, and especially of the last 45 minutes of this candle, of this 1 hour candle, we've remained in the upper half of that candle. So the majority of the time we've spent in the upper half of the candle, meaning we've spent more time above half of its deviation than in the bottom half. And I like that. It looks and feels like it now. We're at the 17th for St. Patrick's Day. Sun is shining. And it just seems as though this is. And this does play into then us going into the end of March, early April to top out at possibly 75,000, possibly more, but this could easily be 75,000. All right, this could be it. So for me personally, I'll be getting above this point here, 55,750, 56. We will not need to wait up here, guys, to 56.5. For me, if we get above now, 56, 55,950, psychologically 56. And we hold above there for another 1 hour candle, I'll be getting an alert out to the group. But you will know my reasoning. But this comes with experience. It's not something set, something that just, shows us that, not something you can just guess. This is something that is inherent within me as well, just staring at charts for a long period of time. And also the volume's up as well. So here we're at 3.5. right there. So yeah, not bad at all there. So we had some selling there just below 5k, and the last buying candles were here. Let's get that back. The last buying candles here just below 3k, just around 3k. We're now at nearly 4k, and we've not even finished this candle. So I do like it. It feels that sort of 54 is out of the way now. and we're looking to targeting potentially that 56 level, and above that we'll be getting back in and running this bad boy up towards that 65, 75,000 level. All right, we're going to really see it motor once we surpass, we go on the 4 hour for this, once we surpass the 62k handle, obviously our previous high. Once we surpass this, once we get above this level, that is where we're really going to see this motor higher. And as soon as this on the daily turns green, if we get into green territory later today or tomorrow, oh my god, this is where you're really going to see the buying action, and these candles, well, the bars here go higher, up to where we were back on the 23rd before we saw the start of that sell-off, that first wave high of 57.5. So we get above here now, bounce off. I do think it'll take 2-3 days, possibly 4 days into the weekend, where we get British summertime, where the clocks go forward. In the UK, that'll be a bit different for the US, but as soon as we then get it above, break out of that 61,750 level, 61,780, 61.8, we're then off to the races towards 70k, and that is where the FOMO will come in, and that is where everybody's going to dive in. There's a lot of other coins that are going to benefit as a result, but genuinely, guys, seriously, this is going to be a good rally, and it should take us into the final wave. Sorry, the builders are downstairs. This should take us into the final wave of this bull run. Not the final wave, but the next stage of this bull run before we then tip off again into late spring. More on that as it comes. This is very exciting, guys. God bless you. I'll be in touch very, very soon. Keep it up.